Ready to elevate your podcast game by embedding it directly into your WordPress website. First, let's install the Buzzsprout WordPress plugin. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins in the left-hand menu, then select Add New in the search bar. Type Buzzsprout and hit Enter. You'll see the Buzzsprout plugin appear in the search results. Click the Install Now button. Once installed, you'll see the button change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin. After activation, you'll notice a new menu item titled Buzzsprout in your WordPress dashboard. Click on it to access the plugin settings. This is where you'll connect your podcast. You'll need your Buzzsprout API key for this. Go to your Buzzsprout dashboard, find your API key in your account settings, and copy it back in WordPress. Paste the API key into the designated field and click the Connect to Buzzsprout button. Once connected, the plugin will display your podcast episodes. Now, you can easily embed individual episodes or your entire podcast feed into your website pages and posts. To embed an episode, go to the page or post where you want it to appear in the WordPress editor. Click the plus button to add a block. Type Buzzsprout into the search bar and click on the Buzzsprout block. The block then gives you the option to search and select the episodes you want to include, or choose to embed your feed. Configure the style and appearance of the player and click the Update or Publish button to make the episode live on your site. That's it. Your podcast is embedded.